hoes
I
love
was
it.
broke down bad, plus a nigga that had shit. I was out here on the grind, nigga, bumping every fish. Right on first, second, third, fourth, you know what it is. Bumping plays at the store, I'm getting my money out the rip. Dope man ran out, I'm copping work in Collegeville. 3 o'clock on the dot, I'm setting up shop in Smithfield. Had to serve my cousin, yeah, I had to get it how I live. Felt like Lil Chris came across the body, they gave me the chills. I couldn't lay up with no hoe, I had to stay out in the street. Instead I went and stayed at Dirty Red and start serving the geeks. Mama, uncle, sister calling, talking about come stay with me. I turned my back on that, I grabbed the pack and start grinding the week. I rounded up me some J's, had a smoker and a runner. Straight drop on deck, got me doing numbers. Took a shower at Dirty Red, but I'm eating good at Tanya's. Haters praise on me to fall, folks pray for me to come up. A bag of chips, a Fago with a blunt, that's all I need. I couldn't even make a sandwich, so I had to stack my cheese. But there's a lot of niggas, cause them bitches bust at me. I could call on my nigga, cause the feds had AP. When they got me an L for the chicken in the beat. When they kept it real 100, let them niggas know I'm street. Dope man in the kitchen, and he whipping up more. Had to start from scratch, I didn't even have clothes. No phone on me now, so I couldn't call hoes. I was mad as fuck, so I had to stay focused. I didn't even have a choice, I had to come up off a smoke. In and out of switching cars, making sure I ain't noticed. Every day I'm out here, had the gorilla the block. Had to use my 2 feet to a nigga get a cop. 3 for the 20 nigga, nah, I won't play that all. Short stop, every play to a nigga got it